Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some Christmas crafts using Cricut's printable range. Today we have got the printable vinyl. We're going to see which one we're going to use in the gold and the silver. I have a feeling we're going to use the gold. It is so pretty. And we're going to have a look at the printable waterproof sticker set. This one is in the holographic. The printable waterproof sticker set comes with 5 sheets of the printable vinyl in white, and it also comes with 5 A4 sheets of either transparent or holographic. It says transparent holographic. I think that's meant to be one. So if you can see, it does leave that effect on your stickers, which is exciting if you want it. These are compatible on all makers, all airs, and your Joy Extras. Let's start with the gold. Come and design with me. Okay, so it's an A4 sheet, it's gold. What we are going to be wanting is plain colors. So on the gold, it may not look the best to do a colored design. I personally think black on gold will look great. I actually want to see what a dark brown on gold looks like just a really subtle effect. I think I'm going to go in with, we're going to make a few things, but start with some tags, stickers, labels for our Christmas presents. So I think, so everything we make that we want to keep gold is going to be white. Okay, you've just got to keep that in your mind. Everything that you want to stay gold, it will be white. And everything you want printed, we will make those colors. So we can do a from Santa. Let's do that. And of course, the hardest thing of all is picking a font. There were a couple I saved a while ago that were actual Christmas. My favorite. This one is a Christmas font. Could I tell you what it's called? No. But I like the idea of that. Let's just center it. And of course, we're going to select both the backing and the text, and we are going to attach. No, we're not. I lie, because we're printing. We're going to select both and we're going to flatten. However, for the time being, let's just group them, because once we flatten, we won't see the white anymore. So let's just group for now. From Santa. Let's see what other shapes they have. I mean, you could be super simple and let's just do some circles. We're going to make them white, and if you want to just be as simple as a letter. Why is that being funny? A C. You could definitely do initials. These are just for those easy stickers. We're going to group that. Now, of course, I have 4 kids, 2 being C's, and then we're going to make an L and an N. L, N. No. Okay, so they're all grouped for now. I'm going to make a couple of these. Now I'm going to have a look and see what is in design space. Oh, look. Claus Express mailing. We can make that a black. And we can pop that in our circles. Control Z, I don't know what I was trying to do there. I love this. So once again, make that white, move that. I mean, if you're good, you can do that. If not, we can center. Now, whenever it comes to stickers, you want as minimal curves as possible. So we could try just doing an offset on this one. But because it's quite detailed, I'm not sure exactly how. Actually, cute. Let's try that. Remove contours. Apply. White. Just give it a bit of a shape. Oh, those are cute. Santa, Team Santa. Maybe. Here we go. North Pole Mail. These would be cute doing like letters to Santa. Let's just offset that one. Doesn't need a huge one. We are going to hide all contours. I would be interested to see what the red looks like. However, I think just black on gold is going to look even better. Santa mail. Just trying to see what's going to look best. You could also have a theme per kid as well, which would be a little bit cute. So like next to your monogram letters, they could each have like a different reindeer. I am going to group these. Have an idea. So let's change this up. And these are going to be, I'm going to test these out as the, maybe a brown on gold. See what that looks like. You're wondering why I'm not doing a lot of these in 4s. Well, one of them is 18 and he doesn't need it, I promise. Okay, we've got a few. Now sometimes I like to test out the size of the sheet. So our gold sheet is going to be, what is the size of it? 21 by 29? And we're going to arrange and send that to the back. And this is how I like to get the most out of my sheet. We can also flatten all our bits and pieces now. Oh, Control Z, that's not what we wanted. That one. Okay. Christmas stickers. Let's go to make. Are we connected? Today we're using the Maker 3. Oh, perfect. So this actually shows us we've got a bit of space. So I'm just going to go and duplicate these. See, that's okay. We can bring these down here. Now, these stickers only need an inkjet printer with your normal ink within that printer. Nothing else special, which is so good. Okay, it is tricky. We can't see exactly where everything's touching. It is just trial and error. But away we go. We're going to press continue. Send to printer, use system dialog. I am going to set it to photo glossy paper. Does it tell me? It doesn't say exactly what setting for your printer. I've done this once before and this is what worked perfectly for me. This is what one sheet looks like. It's awesome because it's got the backing. You know which way to print. But I'm going to feed it through my printer as normal and then we're going to come back and cut it. Okay, so while it's printing, these are the settings we're going to be using. The printable vinyl specialty gold and silver. We're going to select that one and that's going to tell us exactly which. That's going to cut it exactly how we need. So all we need is our fine point blade, insert mat under guides until it touches rollers, and then we press our button. And away we go. It is all printed. So that is the brown and the black. I don't know, maybe I could have gone lighter. I just wanted it to be like super subtle. But that's it. It doesn't smudge. No, nothing on my fingers. It has the same, what are these called? Reference lines as your normal print and cut. So let's cut it and see how it works. Can you see the cut lines? Can you see the cut lines? Hang on, let me take a photo for Instagram. Doesn't really look gold, the lighting, but it is what it is. Oopsies. How cute and how freaking simple. So we always like to pull the mat off, not pull the sticker off. For all crafts, it will keep your craft straight. North Pole Mail. Silver on the back, gold on the front. Honestly, at first I was like, what am I going to do with these? But Cricut, you've done it again. Happy crafting. And if there is anything else you guys want to learn, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up and a follow, please, and share this with all your friends. Thank you guys. Bye.